Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Skye from Paw Patrol. Let's start drawing. Let's draw Skye. Start with her nose. Then I drew her cute eyes. And smiling mouth. I like this, and the shape of her head. I drew her glasses on the top of her head, her ears, let's continue with her body. I draw her collar, and then her dog suit. I draw her 4 legs. And her equipment on her back. And her tail. Awesome! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I paint her nose dark brown. Then I use this marker for her eyes. For her furry skin, I used 3 different shades of brown. Cream. Then light red for her mouth. Brown. Light brown. Cream. Let's color her pilot glasses fuchsia. Color her outfit with the same marker. Then I use this other lighter tone for here and here. And I add a little gray for the neck. Great! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.